Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Myfirstwig, and today I'm going to be showcasing another straight out of the box unit. I know you guys love those. So this unit that I will be showing you guys is the LAURASIA unit. I have it in the natural color. The length on this is 20 inches and this is a silky texture. However, if you wanted a yaki texture, it is available on the website also. This unit comes with your two combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable strap, and you also have this adjustable elastic band, and that is what the parting space is looking like. So I'm just going to work on cutting off this lace in the back, which is good for if you wanted to do a low ponytail. It's still going to look natural. Guys, I forgot to tighten up my straps in the back. I noticed that as I was straightening the hair out, but it's okay because with this elastic band, I didn't feel the need to because it fit me really well. Out the box, the pre-plucked hairline looks good. So if you are a beginner and that is the last thing you want to worry about, then you don't have to worry about that with this company. And also they do a really good job with the parting space area. It looks so realistic and scalp-like. Once again, I did state that this is a pre-plucked hairline, but I am going in because I do want to open up the hairline just a bit more. So I'm just grabbing some sections along the front and just taking my tweezers and lightly plucking around the front of the hairline just to make it look a little bit more natural. It didn't take me too long at all because I am just grabbing random pieces. After I'm done plucking, I'm just going to work on cutting off this lace. I did have to cut a little bit on the sides as far as cutting into the lace so the ear could sit well. And then I'm going to adhere this unit down using my olive oil fix-it hole spray. Just going to lightly spray that on top of the lace and use my blow dryer to speed up the process. Of course, all of the products that I am using in this video can be found down below in the description area. Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing. As you guys can see, I put on my melt band just so that I can make sure the lace is going to be melted and laid into place. And then I'm going to begin to work on this hair. The first thing I'm going to do is use my wax stick, and then I'm going to take my hot comb to press the top down because, you know, it was a little bit humpy and we want this to lay very flat, especially when you are doing some sleek and straight hair. You want that top area to be flat. No humps going on here. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I'm going to use my flat iron. I believe I have the heat on 375, and I'm just going to begin to press out this hair. As you guys can see, this hair does have a bit of layers, especially in the front, and there's also a few sections that I had to go over a few times, especially as it got closer to the tracks, because some of the tracks were kind of like poofy. Not the tracks itself, but the hair up at the top of the tracks was a little bit poofy. So I was trying to get up as close as possible. And then when I get to that very front area with the layers, I'm going to kind of add like a small little bump to it. At how natural it is already starting to look. Now, if you have made it this far into the video and you are liking what you see, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on because you do not want to miss out on any of my videos. We have time. Yes, your girl is going to add some baby hairs. Now, if this is not for you, then you can skip this step and just keep going and you'll be good to go. Me, I'm going to add something extra. If there's one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of razzle dazzle. So I'm going to curl my baby hairs, and then I am just going to use that same adhesive that I used to lay the lace down. I'm gonna spray that on my edge brush, and then I am going to swoop the hairs over. I am not doing a dramatic baby hair look. It's still going to look really nice, clean, and natural, but just gives it a little bit something more. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me. I have my baby hairs together. Now I am just going to go in with a little bit of my powder. I'm going to be putting some of my powder into the parting space area and then also placing some around the front of the hairline just to kind of make sure to blend it in better and also make it look as realistic as possible. I'm just going to be adding a few minor touches to this unit. I do want to go through with my hot comb one more time. I definitely want to push some of that hair out of the way. And then I'm just going to be adding a little bit of my Sleek and Shine serum to the hair. That's going to help keep the frizziness and flyaways intact and keep this nice and sleek. And guys, I am pretty much done. This was a very easy unit for me to install. Definitely beginner friendly. You're not going to have to really worry about too much fuss because the company pretty much does everything for you. Hair looks so natural and is giving off realistic vibes. But guys, make sure you stay tuned after this so you can hear my final thoughts on this unit. As you guys can see, this looks very natural. I am loving the length and I'm also loving the density on this unit. Again, this unit is 20 inches. It seems to be like a little bit shorter in the front, but it also has like these layers right here in the front that you can always kind of curl back. This hair feels very soft now that I have straightened it. Now straight out the box, I ain't gonna lie, it felt a little bit tangly, but once I straighten this unit, like y'all, it's so easy for me to just run my fingers through. And like I said, you can see the layers in the front, which I love. I did not have to cut any layers myself. Now this is a silky texture. You guys know I love Myfirstwig's Jackie texture, but you know what? I actually like this unit. I was thinking I was gonna be on the fence about it, but y'all, this feels so soft. Like I said, once again, after I straightened it, I like it, and I feel like it still looks natural. It's not a heavy density. This is a perfect density for everyday wear. I do have the lace front construction, so that's about as much parting space as you get on this one. I did also go in and pluck out some hairs in the very front. You don't want to pluck your unit. You don't have to because the unit does come pre-plucked. However, I did feel like it needed to be open a little bit more to make it more natural, so that's what I did. I also went around the side a little bit, and as you guys can see, it looks okay. Gotta get this together. Come on Hal, come on. As you guys can see, it does look way better after I plucked it out. And I also created some baby hairs in the front. That is what took me the longest, honestly, to install this unit, because I have not worked on a unit in about 2.5 weeks on myself. So I had to get myself together, but it came out cute. You know, the hair did a little something right here. That wasn't what I intended for it to do, but you know, it did a little something. It's cute. So the sideburns came out really cute on this side also. And then I put a little bit of my Red by Kiss tinted lace wig powder. I use medium brown around the front, and then where's my other one? And I use light warm brown in the parting space area. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave these links down below. Y'all have been seeing me use this a lot lately, and I love these. They got a little kind of perfume smell to them, but yeah, your girl is feeling them. Y'all ain't seen me use my Ruby Kisses powder palette in a minute. But yeah, the parting space is on point. They did go in and bleach the knots on this unit, so it really looks scalp-like. You're not just stuck with the middle part if that's not what you want to do. You can always part this unit on the left or the right. And the lace color on this is medium brown, because I always get that question about which lace color do I have. This one is in the medium brown color, and as you guys can see, it blended down really good. I have to go at the top and really flatten this unit out. It wasn't laying down how I wanted it to lay down, and y'all know my hot comb goes all the way up to 500 degrees. However, this is straight out the package. I feel like once I wash it a little bit, that is going to really lay down very flat. But I feel like for straight out of the box, this looks really good. Shedding and tangling goes, as I was working on this unit, like I said, I did notice some tangles, but once I straightened the unit, I'm not getting any tangles anymore at all. Also with shedding, I did a lot. I went in and plucked out the hairline. I also cut off my ear tabs. So yes, your girl has got some shedding. However, now that I'm running my fingers through it, I'm trying Trying to make sure. I'm getting like a strand or so, but once I combed all that out, I feel like it's going to be fine. What you guys think about this unit? I think this one is really cute. I like the layers in it. I love the color on it, and I like how natural it looks. And I'm also feeling the density. I'm in Texas. Some days it's still really hot, so if I wanted to throw on a wig, I don't know if I would want to deal with a lot of density at this current moment, but this is still giving you the look that you will need. If you are feeling this unit, I'm gonna make sure to leave the links down below. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.